Hi, I'm Janice, and this is my little dog, Big Mac, and we're the team for Mostly Blogging. Are you looking for ways to make your fonts creepy? Do you want to make your fonts crazy? As we get closer to Halloween, there will be more demand to make your fonts as weird as possible, and that is what we are here today to show you. So I'm going to put little Big Mac down and we're going to get started. But before we do, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you get more technology and social media tips, because that's what this video is all about. Using the free tools I'm about to show you so that you can make fonts that you could put anywhere, including on social media sites. Let's go ahead and get started. I published an article explaining how to make crazy, weird, and unusual fonts. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and share my screen so you can see exactly how you can make your own crazy texts. So what I'm looking at is my blog post that gives this information. If you could look at the URL with me, it's moslyblogging.com/, 3 words that are easy to remember, all hyphenated, cursed -text -generator, and there's the /. And if you scroll down a little bit, you see it says these free tools enable you to generate cursed text. And you have all these free tools that you could use. I don't know that one is better than another, but the first one on the list is LingoJam. LingoJam is pretty popular. So let's go ahead and start with that. So I'm going to right click on the link taking you to LingoJam. It says open link in new tab. And sure enough, we're now in LingoJam's cursed text generator. I think, before, at least for me, it helps to know what it is I want to say. So think of your purpose. Are you putting this on social media? Are you going to put this in a blog post? Are you going to put this in an email to somebody? It will work anywhere you want. But for me, I'm writing a blog post, and it would help me if I had unusual looking text. So I'm saying here that a viewer wanted this tutorial I'm making for you right now. He wanted a detailed tutorial showing how to make. And so I thought it'd be great if right here I could have the words creepy text. See, my video was cursed text makers. He wants this tutorial showing him how he can make a cursed text on his own. So let's go ahead and do it. We've already opened up our LingoJam tab. And again, I want to make sure this is logical. He says how to make cursed text. Let's do it. We go back to LingoJam and we're going to write cursed text. And it's going to be the end of my sentence, so I put a period. And look what happened on the right side of the screen. The text converted to cursed text. LingoJam did that. So I don't know what you want to call this. It is a lot of names: hack text, glitch text, but it's cursed text that we're looking for. So how am I going to get that now onto my clipboard to paste it somewhere? So I'm going to go ahead and highlight this. And I'm going to go Control Copy. It's Control C on my keyboard. And notice it looks like there are these glitches or codes up and down, above cursed text, below cursed text. It's also called Unicode. It has a lot of different names. But let's go ahead and paste it where we want it, all right? I said I wanted it in my blog post. Let's try it. Yay! Isn't that nice when things work out so very well? And as you saw, these tips are easy. These tips are free. And they are yours for the asking. I'm going to put this, the link to my blog post that gives you all these free tools, but I'll go ahead and read them to you. LingoJam, Big Bang Ram, Ingrammer, Fonts Rack, Fontalic, Zalgo, Exotic Fonts, Text Generator, and they're all here linking in this article. And I will put all this in the description of my video. And again, I want to say thank you for watching. Please share, please subscribe, and thank you for your time. Go off and follow these tips and make your own cursed text. From mostlyblogging.com. Bye.